Good morning. Just wanted to make you guys aware of some new stuff that we've added to CLIPitc. So if you go to Settings, Billing Info, you'll see a Payment History section. From here on out, we'll record payments and invoices made for CLIPitc. If you want the invoice emailed to you, you can enter in your email address here. If you want to include another email, you can add a comma between them, click Save, and that'll get emailed to you each month after the payment is made. If you go to Customers, choose your customer, go to Estimates, you can create new estimates. Enter in your company cost per hour, goals, and then the services that you want to include on the estimate. Click Add Selected Services. You can add materials. You can edit to change the price. So I'll use $100 in this example, 1 man hour, 0 travel time, and job area. So save. Alright. So now I can see that my estimated profit, based on how long it's going to take, and the company cost per man hour, comes out to $75. So in this case, since it's 1 hour, it's also $75 per man hour that we're making, which is over our goal of $40 per man hour. So at this point, I can go ahead and email this to a customer. It'll email it to the first email address in the General tab. So now if I check my email, I can click to view it. If I want to accept, it'll ask me for a signature. Click Accept Estimate. Then it'll go ahead and activate the job under the customer. Then it'll add it to the customer. So if we go to Jobs, we'll see that there's a bush trimming on the schedule. The amount will be updated based on the charge per job, and the job will be scheduled for the date estimated. So if you want to, you can set up a crew, call it Estimates, and assign it to that crew. Then you could go through all of your estimates and put them on the schedule for the normal crew. We also added a 1 per page route sheet. So if you go to Print Route Sheets, click on Route Sheet 1 per page, click Show Report. It'll only include one customer on each route sheet. So you can see there's only one job. It'll include the materials and the budgeted time. We also adjusted the time for custom reports. So if you pull a report that includes the time in, time out fields, it'll be adjusted to your time zone that's set up under your company settings. So mine is Central Time. That's it. I hope you guys have a great holiday.